I will say no na a first crossover as we are crossing from 2025 to 2026. Now unfortunately, Ebo Noah one crossing in peace. Yachi Ebo Noah. Na fe no Bawumia so no ebe kan sembi e kire Mahama enra na mama wonchire mu. Ayi Penyah block me. That's why I say need him. Obe like his video no other my subscribe button and be click notification icon no latest updates na be kire wa adwen dia mama e wo comment section so baso no achievement for so enya bi ahwe. Let's start with Ebo Noah. Yeti krom hanomo yan ka bi shem ene hunu say gama bi afra no say e shano say e shono say one shan waba media na so I say ni din e Ebo Noah at first ni e friend Ebo Jesus
me chale e friend Ebo Jesus what you say sisi amene mo Kasamaba Central Region Elmina Castle wow okay St George Castle Elmina what you say chale to na me ko no nyame adu me Central Central mo Central nya chale mo like video e ma me na mo like na mo comment about ukru ka chem say ukru ni what you say Castle na wow okay Castle na esuye tiwa outa tona na me neti after towe what comment section one
na your friend Ebo Jesus as on or your content creator comedian or your asresem on the internet e mama for energy but na Ebo Jesus no trend na emfa papa e no na akwotena say na mamenye Ebo no mamenfa Ebo no wa emra emo say ga man be PS wo do boto koko boto bi na pamata la she de bia on the one way e no kwa de bia hye no na wogina de bi hu say ye ark oye ye kom say na enye ark ye boat officialman for no ye wo castle ho no mo e de akoyi na mopo ne so ana ga man ya kogina say oye ark na nyame ya kire say onye ark no nyame di nsuo yiri be say wi ase 25th December
nyame adum ha nti me na me Noah masudaye God up na nyame se me build ark nti ark na me build no ark na me build kakra me frefro bia 2222 pairs 2222 pairs by 25th December na me we ark no nyame se oba be say wi ase nti me ka kire o unim se obekwa ka hello I will go anti akna na missing can't jam say we are ready and see 25th December na me we ti me for be pe him say we patrol and our comment section I will go
Emma Ebo Noah bo hu da wuro ka eye hu de granting interview ni ade Emma because of that kwa no onya ho ka gina oh ye say unu ayi Benz oh chimi Benz oh Ebo Noah chimi Benz oh just say Ebo Noah ekoyi Benz ya na oh chimi Benz Ebo ezu be say wi ase who the Benz ekwai Ebo Noah on the Benz ekwai Emma do we be the media now you know na eda ne ya be bidro ne hu say na Ebo Noah why fasting bi say an or ye 3 days fasting or bomb person nyame ntwam nyame nyai so di suo no ebeba be say wiase ene ade only for 25th December to come in so na anto anadwo no na Ebo Noah age na rapaholic ase
Conference Center, Rapaholic, Stone. Let me catch up say you me Ebo Noah. Your man will invite her, man back. God reveals to redeem. Na nyame charge ya bompaye, wa bompaye, na nyame entia. And the second part, let's party. Baby, you got me play Tuesday. But that's a deep in my real roots and that's the place of grace.
now and she said
sa rapper holic na oyeye na Ebo Noah agina ase na say Ebo the guys here jimo ho it from there no ana man focus say Ebo Noah there be akwa wentimi funa adwin sisi Ghana for ni wiase jina sa yentimi nchini ntum but that time as I be social media just vibe keke as I be vibe keke e ma be kaya asonofo north member of parliament be kaya say adiwe na Ebo Noah aye no e wo det me friend no ba parliament wo be tire mo kire mpanimfo ade no Ghana for ni wiase for nyina adwin be di agro sa or as na we say anra anadwe no 31st night no be a crossover na Ebo Noah ewo pub bi just a restaurant they all ginani
we are still
you drink now, no more drink. You drink now, no more drink.
Ebo Noah ginani na na honomo no Ghana police for ekotebiri Ebo Noah edinba omasuoye now no de ya tutu Ebo Noah ano na wenim say de ne kwadu ebeye causing fear and panic and disturbance of public peace what I say cause fear and panic ana wasa scam we as fo nyina wode na adwia bitie abenya fe go mo say na nkwa no before say 25 ne baba na or your advert I say Ebo Noah as start and deals yes will be pay fame o 1.3 million followers or TikTok obenya fame esi an all sign contract na just Ebo Noah e be pay fame or nyansa e ne be di adwene ho ema Liberia ni be free the crew eba Ghana 25 say Ebo Noah say ewiase be say or betra boat ni mu bi Ebo Noah why you do that esi now the busia ya chi Ebo Noah na officially police report enyama abontre but reason for his arrest no enyama ba onim nya ya adwene say ebeye causing fear and panic causing fear and panic say ewiase eba be say so that is that for Ebo Noah say and na 31st December na 31st no the former vice president of the land Dr. Mahama Bawumia okansem bi etre Ghana for ene Mahama inkotiansemo okan.
Beloved Ghanaians and distinguished members of the New Patriotic Party, I bring you warm greetings of hope, reflection, and renewed commitment to our beloved nation Ghana. It is the dawn of a new day as we step into a new year. I humbly speak to you with a full heart, grateful for life, mindful of our journey as a nation, and hopeful about what lies ahead. A new year gives us a pause and a moment to reflect on where we are coming from, the choices we have made, and the future we still hope to build together with quiet thought and renewed resolve. I know that for many Ghanaians, the past year has not been easy. Parents have worried about providing for their families, and unemployed young people have wondered when the 24-hour economy will provide them the promised jobs. Traders, workers, professionals, and farmers have all felt the pressure in different ways, notwithstanding the improved macroeconomic stability. A lot has happened since 7th December 2024, and I know many of us continue to reflect on it every day. I congratulate President John Mahama on his first year in office, and I sincerely wish him well in the discharge of his mandate. The Ghanaian people have bestowed a sacred trust on him, and he cannot afford to fail them. I therefore urge him to continue to guard jealously the peace, stability, and unity of our nation. Ghana has always stood out as a beacon in a region that has seen too much turmoil and instability. The foundation President Mahama inherited was solid in many ways. It is imperative that we build on it and not let it slip. I say this because This matters more now than ever. You may have heard about the results of the 2025 Global Peace Index. Ghana has dropped 6 places to 61st in the world and from 4th to 7th in sub-Saharan Africa. They point to growing security worries and pockets of unrest in the country. Again, one of Ghana's greatest strengths since the inception of the Fourth Republic has been the independence and credibility of our democratic institutions. The world looks at us and says that is how democracy should work. But in the course of the year, we have seen gaping cracks appearing. For example, the manner in which Ghana's third female Chief Justice was hounded out of office in fulfillment of a campaign pledge hurt many of us who believe in the independence of the judiciary. Let me stress unequivocally that when institutions are weakened, democracy is weakened. When institutions are politicized, trust is lost. Ghana's democracy must never be sacrificed on the altar of short-term political advantage. There could be no turning back for our nation. Many Ghanaians have expressed concern about the direction of our national cohesion and the strength of our democratic institutions. These concerns should not be dismissed. When citizens begin to worry about the fairness, independence, and consistency, confidence is affected. And when confidence is shaken, progress becomes harder. I therefore respectfully advise President Mahama to focus on strengthening, not undermining, the institutions that underpin our democratic order. To my brothers and sisters in the New Patriotic Party, this is a defining moment in our journey. Ours is a party founded on the principles of freedom, justice, and opportunities for all. These ideals demand more than slogans. They demand unity, discipline, and leadership rooted in selfless service and unquestionable character. As a family, we may differ in opinions, but we must never differ in purpose. Division weakens us, unity strengthens us, and history will judge us not by how loudly we speak, but by how wisely we choose. This new year calls on us to rally together and to select a leader of integrity, dedication, and a genuine spirit of service, someone who understands that leadership is not about privilege, but about responsibility. It's not about a few people prospering, but about every Ghanaian having a fair chance to succeed. On 31st January, we will choose our flag bearer for the 2028 elections, marking the start of our comeback journey. We have undertaken major constitutional reforms to our party, including the broadening of the Electoral College to guarantee wider inclusivity. To every MPP member listening to me, let us keep our eyes fixed on the prize. We must win 2028 for the sake of Ghana. We should not be distracted by the storms around us, the rumors and the perceived divisions. Let us put aside anything that has the potential of dividing our party even further. This flag bearership contest should only be about ideas and vision and not personal attacks on any of us. We only provide ammunition to our opponents if we engage in such anti-party acts. I want to assure all of you that I am in this with you, committed to rebuilding our party and working to ensure our dear party wins back the trust of Ghanaians. Let us continue to listen to the Ghanaian people whom we seek to serve, for their concerns must be our concerns. MPP members of Parliament will continue to hold this government accountable ask the tough questions, and fight for the ordinary Ghanaian every single day. Our mighty minority may be smaller in numbers, but we are determined. As I end, I appeal to all of us to dream a little about the Ghana we can have, a country where we put aside our ethnic and religious differences and pull together as one people. I want to be part of building that Ghana, and if you will walk with me, I believe we can make it happen. I am ready to lead the New Patriotic Party into the next election, and with your support, my beloved Ghanaians, to serve as the next president of our great nation. I have always believed that our young people are capable, hardworking, and full of ideas, waiting not for sympathy, but for opportunities to be better. I believe that with the right focus, we can create jobs, support small businesses, and deploy smart ideas to make government work better and ensure that education and healthcare remain the pathways to opportunity. The vision is for Ghana that works for everyone. I am determined to restore our trust in institutions and put Ghana back on top as Africa's proudest nation. It is possible. May this year bring peace to our hopes, strength to our efforts, and renewed faith in our shared destiny. May God bless you and your families. May God bless our democracy. And may God bless our beloved homeland, Ghana. Happy New Year from my home to yours.
Today, what do you mommy? Comment section. I Penyah Media. Accra.
We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
Merry Christmas!